Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create the Suzette stitch. This provides a gorgeous texture and you can use this stitch to create many projects such as dishcloths, pot holders, any home decor, or just use this stitch in your next upcoming project. So let's go ahead and get started. For this example, I'm going to be using the 5.5mm crochet hook and some number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. To begin, you'll chain any odd number of chains. So I'm going to start with 21 as my example here. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and continue on until you reach 21. And I'm going to single crochet all the way down, and we're going to start in the second chain from the hook. So insert, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. Insert into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both. Go ahead and single crochet all the way down to the end of the row. Okay, I just created my last single crochet. We're going to chain 1, turn our work. You should have a total of 20 stitches. To begin row 2, the very first stitch that you'll create is a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, go underneath both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. We're going to skip a stitch, and in the very next stitch we're going to do a single crochet, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. In the very same stitch we're going to do a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Skip a stitch, next stitch, single crochet, same stitch, double crochet. Continue that pattern down to the very end of your row, and I'll meet you back on the very last stitch. And in the very last stitch we're going to place 1 half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Chain 1, turn your work. That's the end of row 2. To begin row 3, the very first stitch you're going to place 1 half double crochet, skip a stitch, and in this very first stitch where we had skipped a stitch on the previous row, that's where you'll place a single crochet, and in the same stitch a double crochet. Skip a stitch, the next stitch, single crochet, and same stitch, double crochet. Go ahead and follow that pattern all the way to the end of the row, and when you get to that very last stitch, come on back and we'll finish up this row together. On the very last stitch, place 1 half double crochet. Make sure to go under both loops. Chain 1 and turn your work. That's the end of row 3. So from here on out you'll follow the very same pattern. In this very first stitch you'll do a half double crochet, you'll skip a stitch, next stitch you'll do 1 single crochet, same stitch, 1 double crochet. You will follow that all the way to the end of the row, and on the very last stitch it will always be 1 half double crochet. You'll chain 1, turn your work, and you'll start with 1 half double crochet, and you'll continue the same pattern. You can change colors if you'd like. as I did in the example, or you can keep it all one color. It just makes for such a beautiful texture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead.